inspiring community development, Daniel Suyidim acquired a new farming tiller through a collaborative financing effort. Daniel made a down payment, Mr.HuFi provided a loan for a portion, and the seller financed the remaining balance. This was made possible using tools developed under United States Patent 117988073B2. With these HuFi tools, Daniel can make payments anytime, 24/7, and twice on Tuesday. Both buyer and seller are rewarded through the system, and the blockchain technology ensures transparency, allowing everyone to track payment status accurately. Daniel Suyidim expressed gratitude, highlighting the power tiller's efficiency in improving crop production. This machine, ideal for small farmers, replaces traditional animal power, boosting productivity and labor demand. The machine was even blessed by the local clergyman, underscoring its significance. Mr.HuFi praised the community's unity and perseverance, emphasizing that collective effort and the value of time are key to a brighter future. Power tillers are making a significant impact on productivity. Research shows they can increase crop yields by 15 to 20% compared to traditional methods. These versatile machines are effective in soil preparation, from plowing to seedbed preparation. Power tillers are not only efficient and cost-effective, but they also benefit smallholder farmers with their compact size and affordability. By reducing labor-intensive work, these machines allow farmers to focus on other essential tasks, leading to higher annual crop yields.